Start para. The present application is filed by the applicant, accused number 2, for grant of bail under section 439 of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, read with section 45 of Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 in connection with ECIR number 1/63/2022 registered for offence under section 3 and 4 of the PMLA. Applicant was arrested by the Directorate of Enforcement on 19/7/2023. Applicant is incarcerated for 1 year, 6 months, 25 days. The special court rejected the bail application preferred by the application in special PMLA case number 1500 of 2023, wide order dated 4/5/2024. Hence, the present bail application para. The predicate offence was registered on 24/8/2022 as FIR number 756 of 2022 with Azad Maidan Police Station, Mumbai, for offences punishable under sections 120B, 304A, 406, 420, 465, 467, 468, 471, read with 34 of Indian Penal Code 1860. On 12/10/2022, the case was transferred to Economic Offence Wing, Mumbai, and renumbered as FIR number 144 of 2022. Subsequently, ECIR number 1/63/2022 was registered. Applicant was not named as accused in the FIR and ECIR para. A complaint was lodged by one member of parliament alleging that during COVID-19 pandemic, Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai issued 2 expressions of interest on 22/6/2023 and 25/6/2023, awarding contracts to various agencies including Lifeline Hospital Management Service, Hospital Management Services, for providing manpower supply to operate and manage ICU and general units at Jumbo COVID Center for the purpose of making treatment available to the citizens. Para. A prima facie delay in filing the complaint is evident. Allegation in the complaint is that Lifeline Hospital Management Services, an entity established on 26/6/2020 with no prior experience is in providing medical services, was awarded a tender on the basis of its partnership deed of the same date. Further, it is alleged that Lifeline Hospital Management Services failed to fulfill its contractual obligations, submitted fabricated invoices, and generated fabricated bills for medical services purportedly provided to and in regard with the Jumbo COVID Center, and swindled approximately rupees 38 crore of public money. It is alleged that applicant, in his capacity as the Dean of the Hisar Jumbo COVID Center, is alleged to have received monthly kickbacks to verify and forward the fabricated bills based on fabricated attendance sheets of staff record, facilitating these fraudulent activities. Primary allegation is that Lifeline Hospital Management Services did not fulfill its contractual obligation under the contract, as there was underemployment of staff members and provisions contrary to EOI conditions which were shown through fabricated attendance sheets and staff records at Dahisar Jumbo COVID Center and public money received from the MCGM against those bills which are fraudulently transferred to service provider. Stop.